My lady, please. Endure just a little while longer. You can do it. Be strong. Your child will be here any minute now.
Sir Daigo. One who willingly steps into this hall of hell has made a choice to cast off Buddha and the gods in favor of the demons. I see it is futile to try and stop you. But hear me one last time. Sir Daigo. To cast off Buddha is to tread the path of evil. It is to no longer be human. If you cross this line, only hell shall await to embrace you on the other side.
You foolish priest. We are living in hell already. The holy path of the Buddha that you so dearly worship does not exist on this plane of reality.
There shall be consequences.
I care not.
I thank you, sir. This will be my salvation. This world is indeed hell, just as you said. The prayers I offered seem more and more pointless. My greatest fear, after all my years of worshipping, was that someday I would begin to doubt Buddha. I'm glad to die before that day had arrived for me. Sir Daigo, please stay away from the demons that you so seek. Do not let yourself succumb to evil, as enticing as it may seem at the moment.
No, priest. It is too late. 12 demon gods. I am Daigo Kagemitsu. Under order of Togashi Masachika, governor of Kaga province, I serve as the great lord of Ishikawa. Repeated famines and epidemics have swept my land, enfeebling my people to the point of prolonged starvation and untimely death. Given the state of my life thus far, I shall never attain the power and renown I so crave. My ambitions will remain a mere dream, but I refuse to rely on the Buddha or the gods. I do not offer you a prayer. Prayers can too easily go unanswered. I seek a bargain. If you protect my land and allow me to rule as I so wish, I shall give you anything of mine. As long as the land is protected, hear me now. Take from me whatever you wish. Anything! Do we have a deal, demon gods?
My lady, just a bit more. Almost there. Push.
Oh, please, Conan, goddess of mercy, lend me your strength.
Oh, he is born. Well done, my lady.
What is it?
My lord.
Is the baby born?
It is but,
What? Speak, woman!
It is done. We have a blessing. You now have a son.
My lady.
An heir. You've done very well, my wife.
Sir, no. I do not know what happened, my lord. He is most certainly alive, but has no limbs to walk, eyes to see, nor a nose to smell. He has not even skin to cover his body.
I shall give you anything of mine. Hear me now. Take from me whatever you wish. Anything!
My lord, I feel a deep, profound love for this woeful child of ours. His appearance matters not to me, for he is our son, made from our love and union.
I have done it. My dream will now be fulfilled as I see fit.
Done what?
The demons agreed to the deal I proposed to them. You need not worry, my wife. Thank you for bearing him to term.
What are you doing? Don't take him away from me! Come back!
Forget him. Pretend he never existed in the first place.
No, please don't!
My lady, no, you mustn't get out of bed just yet.
My lord, have mercy!
My wife, forget him. He was doomed to an early death.
Then at least let him pass in the arms of his mother.
Enough of this nonsense! You will have the chance to bear another. No, you must. The next will be the heir of a great ruler. What's this?
My lord, it was damaged whenever the lightning struck earlier. The midwife believed it may be some sort of sacrifice.
Sacrifice?